right, guys, AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales Inc., aka ShaverEquipment.com. We're tag teaming up with Jake from Dude Ranch DIY, and we're going to send him home with one of these 1424s from Brute Force. You know, it just didn't fit on the trailer. If we're going home, we sold the other one. I got a couple of splitters around, and it's, you know, you've got such a great channel. Like, you're introducing all kinds of different things. You've got that Cormidi coming back up. You've done the elevators, showing off the Easton-made splitter. But, you know, Andrew's got that great big circle, so there's nothing really in, like, the entry-level processor size of things. So we're going to send you home with this. It does cut like a 16-inch diameter log, anywhere 16, 18 feet in overall length, which should be just perfect for your wood lot.
Absolutely. I think it's going to fit into our operation, like, really well.
As long as it goes in and out of the driveway. A little transition there, so
yeah, we got the gravel.
Tune that, so.
We'll make sure it doesn't scrape too bad.
Yeah. But no, it's such a nice processor. It's a big unit squeezed into a small package. I mean, we've got fast split, we've got auto cycle, the extended frame, the longer conveyor on it, even got LED work lights for after hours. So we're going to sit home with you for a couple of weeks, try it out, you know, put it through the paces, you know, make a bunch of firewood in a hurry.
Absolutely.
You know, get some good content on it. And like everything that we do on my channel, it's not a paid promotion by the manufacturer. You know, it just, for some reason, people think that I don't tell the whole truth, but I do. So I like putting things in different people's hands. I got Darren Woodruff from Woodruff Woods, you know, around the back here. He's got a couple of things. So, yeah, wave, say hi. And, you know, he's got a splitter. We sent over the SplitForce with him and things. So just trying to tag team with some different channels. You know, we're all making little pieces out of big pieces. And we got the rowdy ones coming in behind us. So. But we're going to get the MT, pull this out to the track, and, you know, wish Jake the best, and we'll get it back in a month or so, and we'll see what he does. But if we could earn your business with the sales quote, it's always 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com, and we'll get right back to you as soon as I can. Busy guy, but we do what we can. And, you know, he's going to get a lot of content up and going. I know you've also got the firewood bags that we do.
Yep, we got the log lift bags. Looking forward to putting them through their paces as well.
So because of the longer conveyor, we're actually sending Jake home with one of our bag rack 3.0s. That way you can just work, you know, work hard to be lazy and just load right off the back of the conveyor. And then you can use your equipment just to move the bags around on the pallets and stuff. So that should free up the extra piece versus holding it up with the forks.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, but yeah, sorry, I'm in like go mode. We're trying to get out of here. But no, I wish you the best with it, man.
Thank you very much, AJ.
I appreciate the opportunity to work with you on this project.
Likewise, so. Tenfold.
But yeah, just, you know, watch Jake's channel and, you know, see how he does with the processor. And if we can, like I said, get you that sales quote, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.